Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting the oversized turbo dryer blower to the test. A cordless leaf blower promising hurricane level drying power for cars and full-on versatility for your home and garden. Can it really deliver 60 meters per second of wind and power through detailing, leaf blowing, and patio cleaning? Let's find out together. This isn't your average leaf blower. The oversized turbo packs up to 220 miles an hour in wind speed, pushes out 1.6 kilograms of thrust, and cranks up to 50,000 RPM thanks to its advanced brushless motor. Plus, it has a massive battery for long jobs and a built-in LED light for night detailing. Ready to level up your detailing game and home cleaning? Keep watching. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So here's the turbo fan. You can see how sturdy and how big it is. It's made very well. So it has an LED screen right here. On the back is a big fan. On the bottom side is your on and off button, and you charge it with this DC plug right here. So charging takes about 3 or 4 hours for full charge. I turned on the unit so you can see it tells you the voltage and the different speeds. Here's your LED light. It's very bright. You press that to turn it off. And now I'm showing you the different speeds. So it has 4 different speeds. It's very powerful. You can see how strong that the turbo mode is on this blower. All you do is just hold down the button here and it'll give you 10 seconds worth of turbo mode. So you see all the leaves there? Watch this. Here's what makes the oversized turbo fan stand out. Hurricane power up to 60 meters per second for blasting off stubborn water spots, heavy debris, and more. A 50,000 RPM brushless motor that runs stronger and longer, no overheating in sight. 4-speed modes, gentle for dusting dashboards or drying paint, all the way to turbo for car wheel wells, leaves, or yard waste. That 4,000 mAh battery runs up to 80 minutes on low and easy 20 plus minutes on turbo. So you can see how easily that this blower cleans my sidewalk, and it takes all the leaves off of the grass, so it makes cleaning up yard work very easily. This is also great for dusting computers or anything that holds a lot of dust. You see all the dust coming out. And this built-in LED, check it out in a dark garage or during a night car wash. Perfect visibility where you need it most. Let's compare it quickly. Here's a basic electric leaf blower. It's heavy and less powerful with much shorter runtime. Towel drying, slower, leaf streaks, and wrist scratches. The turbo blower is lighter, way more powerful, cordless, and lasts longer on a full charge. And for a sound, it's surprisingly quiet on low. Cranking up gets louder, but the efficiency is worth it. Let's break it down. Pros: massive power, super portable, brilliant battery, and true multi-functionality for cars, patios, even light industrial work. Cons: the highest speed is loud and the battery will need a recharge if you're running turbo mode for heavy jobs. Perfect if you're a detailer, auto fanatic, or just want cleaning to be fast and easy. So, does the oversized turbo dryer blower live up to its promises? For power, convenience, and versatility, it's easily one of the best cordless blowers out there. If you got value from this review or have questions about the blower, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product tests, and check the link in the description if you want to pick up your own turbo dryer blower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.